This natural skincare guide shows how to tailor routines with organic ingredients to fit every skin type. Viewers discover how to identify their type and choose products that balance oil and hydration. The video shares safe DIY remedies like green tea toner and honey masks with simple patch test steps. Application order is clarified from cleanse to serum to moisturizer, with gentle tapping to boost absorption. It compares store-bought natural formulas with homemade options, emphasizing organic sourcing and clear ingredient lists for sustainable results.